Hey there guys, it's Captain. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. Thank you all for the for the people that are already subscribed. Um, I really want to thank you, and since the first video that you're going to be doing unboxing, you're going to be doing reviews, a lot of stuff. Everything that makes tech interesting, like I promised you before. So welcome. Today you're going to be doing the unboxing of the brand new Tecno Camon 15. So here we go guys, this is a Camon 15. They're supposed to have released 3 versions, but currently in Nairobi they've only released this one as of Monday morning. This is a Camon 15, there is a Camon 15 Pro, and there is a newer version they have released and it's quite high-end. It's a Camon 15 Premium. So this version, as we see, it comes with a 64 GB ROM and 4 GB RAM. And let's take this off. And the screen size is a 6.6 inch. It's slightly higher. It's slightly larger, you can say, and it comes packed with Android 10, the latest Android version. And the battery is also improved. It's a 5000 milliamps battery. So let's check it out. Let's break the seal. Let's go. And also the Camon 15 has a very huge camera improvement. It comes with a 48 megapixels camera and also the newer ultra night lens, and the rest, just like I've told you, it comes with a 5000 milliamps battery. So you have this small envelope over here, so let's check it out. We have the 12-month +1 warranty card, and we have the glass protector. Always good to have this one, saves you. And right there they give you a free back cover, and also the SIM ejector tool, it's right there. It saves a lot ejecting the SIM card. And let's now get to the phone. As you can see it, undo that. You can see the notch camera, 16 megapixel front camera, and that's the notch camera. And the color, as you can see, is just a beautiful color. Wow, they're calling it the shoal blue or shoal gold color. Yeah, that's it. And it's a quad camera setup. So let's continue checking what's inside the box. We have the power brick. I heard that is a 10-watt charger, so it's not a fast charge. It's a USB 2.0 cable. The earphones right there. And by the way, the Camon 12 also came with these earphones, and I can say they're quite comfortable. As you can see them, they are quite comfortable earphones. And nothing else, that's it. The earphones, the charging brick, and the USB cable. So now let's boot up the phone. It's powered by Android 10. And also another thing to note, just like I've told you, the Camon 15 comes with a notch camera, whereas the Camon 12 last year had a teardrop, water drop. Front camera, 16 megapixels that is. So on the side you can see the gold color is very much reflective on the other side. We have the power button, the lock button, the volume. At the bottom, actually it's quite the same setup like we had on the Camon 12. Speakers, the USB port, the 3.5 millimeter jack pin, and the SIM ejector tool. As you can see, let's try and eject the SIM card and see what's inside there. Right, there we go. So right there we have the micro SD card, the SIM 1 and the SIM 2 right there. So let's proceed on setting up the phone. It's English, definitely in Kenya. Skip that, and skip that too. Agree to the terms, yeah. Accept. Skip anyway, you're going to do that later. I think they have implemented some bit of tips. You can long press the power for 8 seconds to restart the phone, usually 8 or 10 seconds. So there we go. It comes with a custom iOS. So basically what you can say, it comes loaded with some few apps. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go and check the settings, and we have a new update on the settings. As you can see, you have my phone now is coming all the way up here, not like before we used to go down there and check the specs of the phone. When you open up the settings, it's just right there. It's the first setting that you're going to see. As I told you before, it comes with a 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, 16 front camera, and a 48 megapixels quad camera at the back. The speed of the processor is at 2.0. It's quite good. The resolution of the screen is a 720 HD and definitely Android 10. So I can say the 5000 milliamp battery is quite good. The only thing that I can say is backside of it, the charging brick is not a fast charge. It could have been very much amazing if it came with such a huge battery and we get at least 30 watts charge, and definitely Type-C. As we can see, it's just USB 2.5. So the next step, we're going to try out the camera, right? And another tip I can give you, I'm going to be showing you guys, I think in another video, how you can get rid of unnecessary apps, because yeah, I'll definitely tell you the reason as to why. So let's get on. So let us now check out the camera. We have the 48 megapixels at the back, and we have the ultra wide angle, and also we also have the night lens, and also as you can see. And something else I wanted to show you about the camera, as you can see, Tecno has already installed some wallpapers that sort of like cover the notch at the corner there. You can see there's another one. It's quite hard to figure it out where it is. All these are awesome wallpapers. So let us now get into the camera. The camera, as you can see, it shoots 1080. When you go to the video, we have 1080. It shoots 1080, 720, and 480. And we also have the AI camera, and we also have the beauty. We have the bulk, which is sort of like portrait mode. Yeah, there we are. And we also have the super night, and that's it, I guess. You're going to show you, we have taken some images indoor and also outside. And also one thing I would like also to mention is that the Windows 10 has the new dark mode, which is quite amazing, and it saves up also on a lot of power. And also the contrast of the screen is also very good, and it's quite bright when it comes to the outside. When you're outside the screen, you don't struggle to see. It's quite clear. Yeah. So check out these images that I've just taken inside the house and also outside. The video and audio that I'm recording right now, it comes from the Camon 15 front-facing camera. So the phone is available. You can get it locally in Nairobi, I think countrywide, I guess. They already released it countrywide, but this is the only version that is available right now. Like I said before, the Pro and the Premier version, they are yet to be released. I hope that they'll release the three of them at the same time, but maybe they are going to release maybe at the end of the week or maybe next week, I don't know. But you're going to be doing another video of this same phone, testing out the gameplay, testing out the GPU. Though the GPU of this phone is quite the same as the Camon 12, but we're going to test out the speed and also a few things, boot up, and also mostly the gameplay. I'm a huge fan of mobile gaming. I'm a huge fan of the Call of Duty Mobile and the PUBG, and we're going to be testing them all out, and you're going to be showcasing them to you, and probably tomorrow or the day after tomorrow you're going to be doing that, so stay tuned. So the phone, like I said, you can get it if you're in Nairobi. I'm going to leave a link to my Facebook page, to my Facebook business page, Captain Computers. The link is down below, and also my email. You can hit me up if you need it. You can visit our shop. It's readily available. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and also click the bell icon. Peace.